If you're considering DeskXpand for your help desk software, there are 12 things you need to know before making that decision. We've researched it alongside its competitors, so you can make an informed choice and avoid wasting time on something that might not be the best fit for your business. The first thing you'll notice about DeskXpand is its user-friendly interface. Compared to other help desk tools, DeskXpand stands out for its simple setup process. Many other software solutions require hours of customization, but DeskSpand focuses on ease of use, which makes it a great option for businesses that don't want to spend too much time learning a complicated system. Next thing you should know is the pricing structure. DeskSpand offers competitive pricing, but it's worth comparing to others like Zendesk or Freshdesk, which might offer more scalable plans for larger teams. While DeskSpand's basic plan is affordable, if you plan to scale quickly, it might not be the most cost-effective option in the long run. The third thing to note is the integrations. DeskSpand offers integrations with a variety of popular tools like Slack, Gmail, and Shopify, which makes it easier for businesses to streamline their workflow. However, compared to other platforms like Zoho Desk, the selection might feel somewhat limited if you rely on more niche tools. The fourth thing you need to know is the automation features. DeskSpand does offer automation, but if you're used to more advanced options like those on Freshdesk or ServiceNow, you might find DeskSpand's automation features a bit basic. It does cover ticket routing and response templates, but more complex workflows might need a different platform. The fifth thing to consider is multi-channel support. DeskSpand allows you to manage email and chat support in one place. But if you're running a business with high volumes of customer interactions across social media and phone, other software like Zendesk might provide more robust support for those channels. Moving on, the sixth thing to know is the reporting and analytics. DeskSpand offers standard reports, but if you're looking for in-depth data analysis and custom reporting options, you might want to look at competitors like Zoho Desk or Freshdesk, which give you more granular insights into your team's performance. The seventh thing you should keep in mind is the mobile app. DeskSpand offers a mobile app that helps manage tickets on the go, but compared to something like Zendesk, the app may lack some features and performance improvements that make managing tickets easier from your phone. The eighth thing to consider is customization. DeskSpand does allow for some level of customization, but it doesn't match the flexibility of tools like Freshdesk or ServiceNow. If you need highly tailored workflows, this may not be the best option for you. The ninth thing you should know is security. DeskSpand offers standard security features, including data encryption and multi-factor authentication. However, for businesses that deal with sensitive data, tools like Zendesk might offer more comprehensive security and compliance features. The 10th thing to know is customer support. DeskSpand provides solid customer support with a help center, live chat, and email support. However, if you need 24/7 support with faster response times, other tools like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk might be more responsive. The 11th thing to mention is scalability. DeskSpand is designed for small to mid-sized businesses, but if you're part of a larger enterprise, you might find it a bit lacking in advanced enterprise features compared to something like ServiceNow or Zendesk. And finally, the last thing you should know is the trial period. DeskSpand offers a free trial, which is great for testing its features, but remember to make sure it meets your needs before fully committing, as some competitors offer more extended trials or free versions with more features available. So, is DeskSpand a good choice? It's a solid option for small to mid-sized businesses looking for something affordable, easy to use, and with basic help desk features. But if you're looking for something more advanced or with better integrations, security, or scalability, we recommend checking out our recommended solution that you can try for free.